So the people over at Alienware Oz were kind enough to send me a little package. Needless to say, I was pretty excited when it arrived. This thing here contains a brand new Alienware M17 gaming laptop. This thing is an absolute beast. You can get this in quite a few different configurations, but the one they have sent to me contains an unbelievably smooth 300Hz screen, an astounding brand new 10th gen Intel Core i7-10750H processor. On top of that, this thing has 32 gig of RAM and an RTX 2080 Super in a laptop. The fact that they've been able to fit that kind of power into a machine that is this thin honestly blows me away. The new Alienware M17 is only 20.5 millimeters at its thickest point, making it the thinnest 17-inch gaming laptop that Alienware has ever made. Obviously, I wanted to test this thing out the way it's meant to be used, so I jumped into a couple of games to see how it performed. Let's have a look. So the first game I'm trying out is Grid, which is running as smooth as butter right now. It looks amazing, and on this 300Hz screen, it is just so smooth. And as you can see, I'm also using the built-in webcam on the M17 right now, which is surprisingly good quality. It's honestly better than I expected. I usually don't expect this amount of quality from one of the built-in webcams on a laptop. Oh, there goes my bonnet. Okay. That being said, as good as this laptop might be, nothing is going to help me improve my driving abilities. And now I really wanted to push the M17 to its absolute limits by playing what is probably the most graphically intensive game that I own, Red Dead Redemption 2. And oh my god, this thing is an absolute beast. It is running so smooth and it looks so good. Oh, don't put... Oh! I didn't mean to do that! Okay! Listen, this laptop might be amazing, but that doesn't mean it makes me any better at games. The beauty of this game is just stunning to me every single time I play it. And honestly, it probably wouldn't be able to be possible in a mobile package unless you've got an absolute beast of a machine like the M17 here. So I've actually been running Red Dead 2 for like a couple of hours since I filmed that, and it is still running surprisingly well. And a lot of that is because of the new cryotech cooling technology that they're actually running in this laptop to make sure that all the components are staying super cool even after hours of having to handle a game like Red Dead 2. On top of that, that is thanks to hyper-efficient voltage regulation, making sure that voltages in the components are staying super high while not overheating and causing any kind of thermal throttling, even after hours of this thing. Needless to say, I'm super excited to have hands-on on this machine, and I'm so looking forward to using this thing into the future for gaming, for streaming, for editing, VR, everything. So a big thanks to the people over at Alienware Oz for sending this out to me. I'm so looking forward to using this thing in the future. And thank you for watching this video right until the end. Stay safe out there, peeps, and I'll see you next time.